Hello everyone, it's Mindy and I have a little bit of stuff to show you here today. This is from Diamond Art Gift. I haven't gotten anything from Diamond Art Gift in a little while, but let's show you what I got. I got some good stuff here to show you. All right, I'm going to smooth all this off the top here. I'm going to leave that. There we go. There, that's what I wanted to do. All right, let's show you this one first. Toolkit. I forgot to tell you, there's a toolkit. That's what they look like. All right. Oh, this one has pre-bagged drills. Beautiful colors. Love it. This has 23 colors. These are pretty cool. There's a lot of new stuff out there. I think a lot of it is AI art. I don't know much about the AI art, except that it all kind of has the same look to it, style-wise. I mean, the pictures are all different, of course. I don't know how to explain what I'm saying. They all kind of look a little similar, but anyhow, this one's pretty cool. I think I have since seen this one with special drills. This is a full drill, 23 colors, all letters, right? So it's just like a, I don't know, Oceanside scene. Got some shells and flowers, and anyhow, it's, look at that. They did that. Yep, they did that. Do you see what they did? That is B's and R's. Ugh, really? B's and R's. Okay. We could have done without that, right? Anyhow, it's clear. You can read it, so that's important. It's just, why? Why did we need to do that? Anyhow, that's what it looks like. It's pretty, very colorful. And the bagged drills, pre-bagged drills, lots of purples. Look at all those purples. Purples, peach, blue, brown, a lot of pinks, a lot of pretty colors. My kind of colors, right? Love them. What's the dark background going to be? Blues? I don't know. Anyhow, it's pretty neat. I like it. It's pretty. All right, that's the first one. Let's move on to something else. Let's move on. I got like little things here, little stuff. All right, let's look at this one next. I went and looked at like special things, and I got a lot of smalls. Yeah, a lot of smalls. Okay, these are cute. These are stickers. Just one sheet. Oh, there we go. It folds open like that. These are pretty cute though. Little stickers. Got a bunch of elephants over here. Whenever I see elephants, I think of my sister. My sister loves elephants. Got a bunch of elephants on this side and a bunch of pandas on the other side. Pandas in cars and elephants flying with balloons and in teacups, and they're just cute. Anyhow, let's see how this works. Peel this back. They're probably all individual little stickers. Yep. See? So we'll peel off. Be a sticker. Cute. All right. These are all regular drills. We'll look at those real quick. I'm going to assume we got a lot of pinks and reds and things like that. Oh, how about some brown? I have some brown. Let's zoom you in a little bit. Not out, in, a little far away. All right, here we go. Pinky colors. Salmon, really, truly salmon. Gray, black, red, blue, a little bit of yellow. Here's our pinks. Pink, pink, and more gray. A lot of gray, right? We have elephants. Got a lot of gray for them. Okay. There's that. Cute, right? Fun stuff to do with kids. Give them some stickers to work on for a little while. I used to do these at school all the time with my kids. My kids loved doing those. All right. I'm going to show you this one next. And I do have this. All right. When I filmed the other video, I was like, do I have this twice? I swear I have this twice. I do. All right. So let's show it to you real quick. This one will go in my giveaway box. Some lucky winner of some giveaway will win this one because he will be in my giveaway box. But super cute, right? Super cute. There's like 3 or 4 different Easter gnomes. And why did I get the same one twice? I don't know, because I can't keep track of what I order, apparently. That's why I can't keep track. Okay. All rhinestones for this one? Yep. So we've got a couple greens. It's funny, I just filmed the other video too. Light green, orangey color, some pinks. And then our specials, we don't have a ton of them. We just have a pink and a brown color and gold teardrops. That's the only specials, but you know, that's fine. It's just fine, okay? Super cute. I hope I order some of the other ones. The other ones are really cute too. So anyhow, he'll go in the giveaway box. Giveaway box for you. All right. This is all Miranda's fault. Let me see. Let's get the right drills. 253. If you're ever confused, there's a number up here and there's a number here. This one's all Miranda's fault. I didn't know it was this little. But it's tiny. I thought it looked bigger. I mean, it's this big, right? Like what, 3 by 3 inches, 4 inches? But what is it? Let's see. What size is this thing? I don't even know. Let's check it out. What do we got? It is it's 6 inches. Okay. 6 inches by 6 inches, just about. Okay. I loved the cow. That cow was so stinking cute, right? Adorable. Got some big specials on here. This is going to be a little bubbly, you know, in the background. We got 1s and 7s and 8s, and they all look like they're different sizes. That little cow is so stinking cute. I don't know if Miranda's was bigger or not, but that's the size of mine. So let's look at the drills. Is it a sticker? It's not a sticker. No, it's not. No, it's just a... have to find a little frame to put that in. All right, here we go. But we got some pretties in here. Yes, we do. We got some unique stuff. Okay, so we have clear rhinestones, pink, green. What color is that? I don't know. A tan brown color. What's that one? Darker brown color? Purple? Okay, so now here comes the bubble part. So they'll have this. Small, medium, and larger clear. That's the bubble. That's the background. More rhinestones. But then look at those. Oh, those are fun. Yay. I love it when we get flowers. I was just saying in another video, if I could collect enough flowers, I could eliminate some slivers on a couple things I just got, right? Instead of doing sliver flowers, I could put those. I wonder if I could buy these somewhere. I should check that out. I know that will be all those Ys, the flowers. Cute. Super cute, this little cow. I love it. He's cute. All right. In that same vein, I also got this guy. Look at that one. Bok, 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 bok. Little chicken, right? Isn't it cute? This one's actually a chicken. He's actually got chicken feet. I just did one. I just did a picture and it had a chicken, but the chicken was kind of a duck. It was like it had duck feet and duck beak. This one's actually a little chick. Little chick, 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 chick. Little chick, chick. Super cute. Look at all the bubble in the back of that one, the background. I hope it's pink. I hope it's pink. It looks like it will be pink. Let's see. Okay, what do we start with? Well, let's start with some pink rhinestones. We're off to a good start. It might be white. I think it's going to be white, you guys. I was hoping for pink. Anyhow, a little black, little gold color, green, more pink. I don't know, that's like a smoke color. There's another pink. Champagne-y color, golden brown, gold. Okay, so we do have 3 sizes here. What are the numbers on those? Oh, they're not numbers. They're C, D, and F. Where does C, D? Oh, that goes on the chick. That's the chick. He's going to be yellow. He looks green here, right? Look at, he looks totally green. But those are all going to be yellows. Okay, cool. Gold and yellow color. And then here's our background. 3 different sizes of white. Small, medium, and larger. So the background's white. He's yellow. Pink flower. You get it, right? You get it. Super cute though. Super cute. Okay, one more item. I have not seen this before. Now, it's a bag, as you can tell already, but this one looked different. It's a little unique. Let's show you this one. Oh, this one has a little legend here. Here's our legend. It has 10 different colors, shapes, whatever. This bag, okay, look at this. This is kind of cool. All right, opens like this. It has a handle up here on the top so you can carry it, but it has a zipper here. I thought that was very unique. So it will hang like this, really, and then has the zipper over here on the side. And it's dirty, really. It came dirty. Wonder if that will clean off. I think it will. I'm going to do a little spit test right now. Yeah. It'll clean off. Okay, good. I was going to be disappointed if it got more dirt up here. What the heck did they do to the thing? All right, we'll clean it up. Inside are our drills and our toolkit. That's kind of cool. Just an open bag in there. The canvasy, you know, kind of plasticky canvas. Anyhow, I thought that was cute. Nice little bag to just tote stuff around in. Tote, 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 right? Cute. I'd never seen them like that before. So I thought I would try one. Like I said, I like to find things that are different. The different kind of unique items. And I thought that was one. Unique. Here's our drills. Got pretty colors. Oh my gosh, the colors are beautiful. Okay, so let's start out with clear. But look at that. That's beautiful. That aqua teal color, gorgeous. Love it. Black. Then, oh, really? Then we have some iridescent round clear. That's why I went, oh, really? Ugh. Slivers. Really? Lots of slivers. Lots of little silver slivers. Yuck. I don't mind these. These are small, but these are more manageable. So we got those. We got those, and we got those. Those are all clear. All right. I thought it was going to have a lot more blues than this. Some pretty purples, marquees, some really pretty blue marquee, and these are gorgeous right here. That purple iridescent, that's gorgeous. Well, all right. We got a bunch of slivers here. Where are all these slivers going to go? Oh, yeah, they're going to go around here. Around here and here and here. Oh my goodness. So many of them. Oh boy. Well, anyhow, I thought it was going to be much bluer than it is. A lot of clear colors though. I mean, they're on a blue background, but still. Anyhow, unique. They had other designs if, you know, the tree thing isn't your liking. But anyhow, that's what I have today from Dawn Art Gift. So thank you for hanging out and watching. I'll link these things below if it's something you're interested in, so you can go find them. And I hope you enjoyed. So hope you come back soon and see more stuff. Videos are coming every day. I just keep them rolling. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. All right. I will be talking to you soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.